How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I've been so tired lately. It's after 6 o'clock and I'm just not getting up, getting my shower, put on the caftan. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all how to get safe lighting in case your power goes out. This is stuff that most people got around their house, or if you have a yard, I'm sure everybody has these solar powered lights. So I bought a box of them. I think it's 12 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 in here. How many is that? 12 or 16. Solar powered lights. You know the kind you put on the stakes and you stick them in your yard to light your bushes up or light the flowers up or make a pathway. And they're run by solar power. The sun shines on them and charges them during the day, and at night I'm going to switch this on. I had it in the off position because I'm not using it right now. Did that just go out? Don't play with me. And these been in a box. Let me see. And you can put these in a hide it under a bushel. No. Put it in the glass. Walter, you right there? Can you cut that light off right now, please? Right there. No, you're in the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
Cut that light off. Thank you. See, it throws a nice light. Don't go nowhere. That's okay, you can stay gone. Throws a nice light if you put it in a mason jar. Or if you want a brighter light, you put a couple of them together. It's just the top off the other one. Or you could just stick them in your plants you got in the house. So this is a safe alternative to lighting candles. There's no candles, no batteries. All you need is solar power. Put them in the window in the daytime so the sun can recharge them. I'm turning it back off until I actually need it. You can see. So just something to think about. And you can find these lights anywhere. Dollar Tree has them. But I ordered these from Amazon. And also, one of my honeys had reminded me to use a light that you can crank up. I forgot I had this. I've had this well over 20 years, maybe 25 years. And it's dusty. So how you turn this thing on? I'm going to turn the light on. And why is it on? You have to crank it. It has a handle on the end. I don't even know if they still make these or not. This is old. It has a light. It has a cell phone thing where you can charge your cell phone. This actually worked back in the day. Got this kind of thing for your cell phone charger. I actually had a phone that had this kind of thing. I could stick that in there. It has a AM, FM radio. It's good for an emergency, and you have to crank it. That's where it gets its power. You have to crank it up. So it's good to have in a pinch. So I'm sure they make some more updated types like this. See, the more I crank, the brighter this light is getting. This charges whatever battery is in here. I thought it's nice to see if I can turn this radio on. off and on. It works. This thing has been hidden for a long time. And one of my honeys had reminded me. What this say? AM, FM, charge power. Oh, has a little light on the back. It shows you when you're charging. It's a little green light to let you know it's charging when you're cranking it. I'm gonna turn this light switch off and tuck this handle back down. Let's see. I ain't used this in a long time. Forgot I had it. It tucks down, has a little wristlet. So I'm gonna put this where I can find it. And I can actually see it and know that I got it. So I'm sure they have updated kinds. It says Emergency Pro, that's the name of it. I've had this for such a long time. So that's it on my safe way to light your house in case the power goes out. Very safe around kids. As a matter of fact, you can give each child a light. Turn it on, you can give them a mason jar or a clear plastic jar. Put the light in there. They can have their own, keep up with it. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Guess I ought to hold this up. See if it's still charged. I'm trying to do a thumbnail. It throws more light in the jar. Oh, this just went out. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Let me charge this again. Long enough to get a thumbnail. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.